Hello everyone. Today we are going to study cerebellar anatomy. Cerebellum consists of two cerebellar hemispheres which are connected together by cerebellar vermis. As we take a look from a bit inferior aspect, we can appreciate cerebellar tonsils. It is better shown in this image. Let's study the structures labeled in this image. This is midbrain, this is pons, and this is medulla oblongata. This together constitutes brainstem. This one labeled here is obex. Below obex, the fourth ventricle, it communicates with the central canal of spinal cord. The elevation opposite to the obex is nucleus gracilis. Here we can note that how cerebellar folia are more of radially oriented, and this is cerebellar tonsil. This one labeled here, this is primary fissure. We will study fissures of cerebellum in detail. This confluence of sinuses is known as torula. The two main fissures which we need to know from radiological point of view are primary fissure and horizontal fissure. The primary fissure, this one, it divides cerebellum into anterior and posterior aspect. We can see here that this is primary fissure. So this becomes anterior lobe and this is posterior lobe. And the horizontal fissure, it divides into superior and inferior. So this is horizontal fissure and this is superior and this is inferior. In the above 3D image, we can also appreciate the same, that this is primary fissure. So this is anterior aspect and this hole would be posterior lobe. And this is horizontal fissure. This one also labeled is horizontal fissure. So this is superior and this one will be then inferior lobe. Now let us take a look at MRI images. So this is vestigium. Then this one labeled is primary fissure of cerebellum. So this is anterior and this is posterior lobe of cerebellum. This one labeled here is obex. Then the elevation next to obex will be nucleus gracilis. This is tonsil with horizontal arrangement of folium. As we move more laterally, we can clearly appreciate the horizontal fissure. So this is superior and this is inferior lobe. This is cerebellar tonsils with horizontal orientation of folia. In this section, we can see that this is pons, this is superior cerebellar peduncles, this is cerebellar vermis joining the two cerebellar hemispheres. And this one is labeled here, T2 hyperintense is horizontal fissure. The main thing in the next image that we need to appreciate is the hypoechoic area present in the cerebellum. This is the dentate nucleus. Rest the posterior superior recesses capping the cerebellar tonsils are well appreciated in coronal images. As in this image, we can see that these are cerebellar tonsils. This is the blind ending posterior superior recesses of the fourth ventricle which can be seen capping the cerebellar tonsils. This image represents the vermis. These are tonsils. This one here laterally is foramen of Luschka. This is flocculum. The lobe of cerebellum which projects into the CP angle is known as flocculum. In this image, this is medulla, and again these are cerebellar tonsils. See in this image, we can see that how primary fissure, anterior lobe, posterior lobe, horizontal fissure, superior, inferior, and this is flocculus, and it can be seen projecting into the CP angle. In this coronal image, the horizontal fissures can be very well appreciated, and these are cerebellar tonsils. Thank you.